factory. We have guns and money by the factory. Little boy, we make a run out of your place. Shit black cookie at your ears and keep every car wave. Follow the selling to get to race.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
People who are going, they don't know one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. Boy, Flippa mafia. Jano youth, me no know, dog. This is sometime when you get a second chance in our life and you just go back down that road. Yo, Jano, right now, if I not 25 years or 35 years in a brother, me no know you depend parole. The man still on parole and get himself caught up in a this again, brother. And what day me see one video with the man and his daughter them in a car, you know. And the man a carry out in daughter them in a bro. And yes, the man gone back, brother. Me no know, brother. That's why I always listen to Bob Marley when Bob Marley say, yo, riches is life. That a fame riches, brother. And them man just throw it with dog. Jano, but we're going every day and making a ear go on.
About this brother, the convicted drug dealer and dancehall entertainer, Flippa Magala. Yeah, man. Now, as I stated in recent vlogs, that he's back in federal custody. Now, we can confirm that Flippa Mafia, Andrew Davis, is presently in the custody of the feds in the United States of America. He has been charged with possession of an intention to distribute the illicit white drugs. You don't know, the sniff, the powdery substance. Them also hold him pan a thing with them call meth, and the next thing with them call fentanyl. Yeah, man, all three of them. So he was not alone. He was arrested and charged with two other criminal elements we are talking about.
Yo, people, I don't know. You see nowadays, when I look on it, you can't really sorry for nobody, dog. You see somebody when me see get a second chance, bro, and then end up go back down that road. It no matter what, brother. Me can't sorry for you, bro. You see me? The only somebody me can sorry for you are your kids them. If you know say, yo, Jano, them now have them father around them and all of them little thing there, bro. Bro, you forward back, parole. You should, bro, your name shouldn't even call up. Brother, you should have cut all ties, everything, brother. You're up on parole and look here again. I think the last time I get like what, 25 years him get? Something like so. And him end up do like 9. And you get the chance, brother, and you're there road, you enjoy yourself, buckle of champagne and all of them little thing. The one time you see him at work in his sister restaurant or something like so. And the man make himself end up back in a this again. Dog, you not listening, brother. You see me? Remember I say you a one life you have, you know. One life. And you can't get a second chance with one life, bro. And if you get that by the system, because you get the chance by the system, and them say, alright, go on, good behavior or whatsoever, and then you come dropping at this again, brother. I can't sorry for you, dog. I tell you, I can't sorry for nobody. I could have my sister, my brother. I can't sorry for them. If them something happen, you get a second chance in a life. Don't feel you're going to get the third. The third might say, if me didn't know. You understand?
Jones and James McBride and also Clifford Brown. So him and 3 other criminal elements were arrested and charged. So Jones, McBride and Brown have all received numerous sentences for drug-related offenses before. In outlining their case, the U.S. authorities says that they have been tracking Flippa Magla and his co-accused since August of last year. The authorities also tapped Flippa Magla's phone during the course of their 9-month surveillance exercise after witnessing what they claim was drug drops. Now, in their complaint,
ah boy, so the man them a track him phone, everything. I listen to them trace every little thing, bro. Oh hi, Flippa. God go you there with that one end of that. You get a second chance to see life outside. You know call it. The hell. You understand? I don't know, brother. Like, now you go there around back a man now. After you did there around your kids, them, bro, your family. You live your life, brother. That's what I always tell people, you know. I prefer go sweep somewhere, brother. Than for poor, because I always listen to Bob Marley. Life is riches. You understand? That are my riches, bro. If me work hard and then money forward and it forward in. But me now go make because of money. Make me lose my freedom of life, bro. Make me can't enjoy life. You're mad. So much thing out there. We have internet can try certain things. How to create and how to make money. Legally, bro. You understand? Now go down the road. Especially, brother, if you have a family, if you have kids, bro. You understand? And put yourself in a them problem again. Now your kids have to go face that sorrow they know. If you say, yo, John, no. Them lose them father again. Brother, me don't know what to say with Uno dog. Me I tell you that. You should have learned, bro. You see me? You should have learned, but I guess you just love them thing, brother, and you just love prison. You don't have to love prison. You see me? That's what I tell you saying, brother. If you love money too much, bro, or you see this bag of hype life and them little thing there, brother, them thing they put you in a problem, dog. You see me? Sometimes you need to wall out. You have to wall out, bro. You see me? Fast money can carry go two places. Your grave or in a prison. You see me? I saw it go, bro.
Which was unsealed on Monday. They detailed several alleged conversations intercepted by their wiretap. On the year, boy, I tell you, you see this phone thing, Rasta. This phone thing has led to the demise again of Flippa Magla. So in their complaint, which was unsealed on Monday, they detailed several alleged conversations intercepted by their wiretap. The U.S. investigators claimed that among the alleged conversations recorded, Flippa Magla was heard telling an unnamed person, "I am just glad for my freedom. I'm not doing any boasting because the boasting nearly gave me life in prison." Now, authorities interpreted the conversation as Flippa Magla keeping the operation small to limit his exposure. Now, in another conversation, Flippa...
Yo, man, I know. Flippa nana head. You, in that situation, you were going to say, yo, you're glad for your freedom. And you not boasting no more. Seeing, you deal with smart brother. You're not glad for freedom. If you did glad for freedom, when the man them attack or whosoever allegedly that attack or whatsoever, seeing, you would have said, yo, no, I'm done with this. No more of this. You say, yo, you do small thing or whatsoever. Means say, yo, you still a do it, but you know, maybe do it on the large scale. You should have say, yo, done with them life here now. I focus on my family and every little thing. At that you should have say, yeah, talk about it get 25 years. No, you maybe I'll get more. You understand? You maybe get more now. You understand? You should not do nothing, brother. You should have learned your lesson, dog. No, to get chance in a life and still mess up again. You understand? And just because me see him and him youth in a people, him kids them in a car, me I say, yes, you change your life. They there for your youth them and fit this come happen, brother, you get caught up in a this again. Can't sorry for you, dog.
Is allegedly heard telling an unknown female, "I don't want to put my hand too far where I cannot reach it. I've been wanting a Lamborghini." Yeah, man, so the boss want to upgrade. He stated, and I quote, "I have to get a business first because then I'm going to draw extra attention to myself. If the heat comes and the problems comes, you will hear that I am an idiot." Well, right now, Flippa, the whole place, I call you just that right now. So you call it by yourself.
Yeah, man, I'm an idiot, man. I'm an idiot. Cause I'm a run down... Yo, John, brother. Bro, you have a chance. You keep party, you do this, you do that. It's not like you're nobody. People know you. You usually sing and them little thing there, brother. You could have started your business and all of them little thing there, bro. But it's like, just addicted to them thing, bro. You see me? The hype life. The flat, them thing there. You see, because when you used to accommodate them thing there, and you see me? You can't let it go. You can't go the right route, bro. I don't know how you forget a second chance in a life for they around your kids them. And for be a fool of yourself, dog. You understand? For dead for your kids, you get one more chance, brother. For dead with your kids them. And you mess up everything. But they look upon you like a fool, dog. You see me? You know worth it, my fam.
Definitely by yourself. So Flippa Magla's phone appears to have gotten him into more trouble. Authorities says that after a warrant was obtained to search his iCloud account, pictures of what appears to be the whole heap of drugs and other paraphernalias was found. In addition, receipts and labels of what were suspected to be drug deliveries were found. Authorities say that several packages containing the illicit drugs were also intercepted. The authorities say that their surveillance continued until May 5th of this year, and the packages allegedly contained illicit drugs were intercepted on May 9th. Now, Flippa and his co-accused were arrested on May 11th and placed before the courts today, that is yesterday. They'll remain in custody of the U.S. Marshals until they return to court on Thursday at 12:30. So you can definitely count on the Spot News Media to cover that one and update you. Boy, me I tell
Yo, people. Tell you in a life. You get them chance in a life and just mash it up. I tell you. You can't sorry for them money, dog. I tell you. You can't sorry for them money, brother. If you get that chance there, you not even do the 25 what you get. Seeing? And you do 9. On your father road. See you do look work. You enjoy yourself. You go on easy. A bag of thing. And look where you get back yourself, dog. Because of greed. A greed, Because the lifestyle, and you want to buy this and you want to buy this, the flossing. The greed, bro. You understand that? The greed. It better be greedy if you just live your life, brother. And move far from the negativity. Greedy for they around your kids, them. You understand? They around your kids. Better greed for they around your kids, them, bro. In your house, family time, all of them little thing there, bro. You see me? But no. You still have to go down that road there, brother. You understand? And then you go say, yo, what did happen here 25 years? And you do a small thing. Brother, you know no sense. You still a do it. No matter if Ray usually be the boss or whatever. You still a do it. See? And first of all, brother, if the man let you up on parole, you think the man him not go watch you and trail you? You can stay there, brother. You understand? The man him give a short year span and say, alright. But I say if things and things change. But brother, I know in the dog, I tell you about them people, I tell you, brother. I don't know what I want out of life, bro. I tell you, I don't know what I really want out of life, dog. It's like the greed. You see, hype and clout and them good thing there is a dangerous thing. You see, a lot of people do things for hype. You see me, people go in a bank, take out money, have big car, and them know them can't pay for it. You understand? And then boom, when you look barely for forward for your car. Because you don't want to live for please people and for show off, say you have this and that and rare. Bro, that now make no sense, brother. You understand? It now make no sense. Life is the greatest, fam. I don't do them things, brother. It's like, you don't love life, dog. I tell you. You don't love life. I tell you, bro. You just want lack away from life, brother. You see it? Yeah, you just want there on some man and bag of thing and left on the pitney. They're in a sorrow and can't see you. They around them Christmas time and every holiday and them can go eat dinner. I don't know how to do it, dog.
them peeps. The thing rough. Now, Flippa, I figure do The rest a sentence right now. Because as I did know, him did get 20-something years and only did 9 years. So I think he have 16 years remaining if memory serves me correct. So him have to go do the 16 years there, plus the additional sentence for this particular bus. So Flippa now see back road. None of
Bumbuckler. People. Yeah. Brother. If I saw that way I go people. Flippa, God go with you in there. I tell you. God go with you in there. So you have got finish the years plus brother, I mean I know, bro. People, I love life too much. Me just dead there, do my work, forward in, and just in my house. In my room I go and chill. And just try to come up with some way of to make some money legally and all of them. Brother, I not depend them thing there. Me not even to party like when me usually young in my days. Brother, me look on life different right now. You understand? And if your man get back this a chance, bro, it's not a every day people get back them chance, brother. And the worst thing, the man not even get deep enough people. The man not get deep enough. The man get a real second chance in their life then, dog. You see me? But I don't know, bro. I don't know what I want out of life, brother. I feel like, I don't know, it's like when I live for hype or something, brother. I tell her that Flippa how much. I not even know, but if he go finish the year plus add on, brother, he better end us. You know, I don't know. I eat that, brother, for your life. Cause by the time you go old and I don't know that, but God go with the youth.
all right now. Because Flippa a big enough man as it is, and me certain say him a go get slapped hard because this is not his first rodeo in front of the American courts. And you know say once you come before them judge they too often, them a go make you a living lesson. So right now, you can rest assured, just from my understanding, Flippa probably get anywhere between 25 to 35 years. Boy, may I tell you, it's rough, but anyway, make we continue. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about international.
People, I don't know, you know. As I say, Flippa, let's go and hold it in a prison, them G. You see me? If it go on and boy, I don't know. Man put himself in a deep waters, brother. I don't know that. I tell the people, life too sweet. For me I end up in a them situation. I mean I tell you, yeah man. People, just be safe out there. Stay far from bad company. Just live your life. You see me? You can have your friend, but if you see a friend I do shaggy and I lead it down the wrong path, cut it off. You see me? Because when you check it, that same friend they can sell you out and not be the witness for sink you. You see me? Yeah. But big up on yourself. And don't know one media facts man happy. Yeah man. That is it.